Hello everyone, welcome to Supermart Store. Today I will introduce a wireless Wi-Fi mini DV or mini camera to everyone. Okay, first let's see the package. Okay friend, next let's see what's in the box. In the box we will see the camera and charger, silicon case, USB charging cable, table clip, close clip, and car clip, and card reader, lock, and menu. Okay, friend. Next, let's test this camera. Okay, this camera is a Wi-Fi camera, so we can use the camera connect the mobile phone or computers by Wi-Fi to scout everything. Okay, friend, let's test it. Okay, first let's turn on the camera. We will see the red light. And a moment later, we will see the blue light flashing 5 seconds. It means it is opened and will start working. Okay, friend, it is opened. Okay. Then we should go to our Android phone setting and enter the Wi-Fi setting and found the Md99s. Then click it and connect. Okay, friend, we can see it is already connected. Then next, we should download a RDM Wi-Fi cam from the website and write the device address and secret in it. The address and secret in our menu, and or we also can supply to you if you don't know. Okay, friend. Then we should enter the RDM Wi-Fi camera. Okay, friend, we entered it. Okay, we will see the screen. We will see the screen, monitor screen, and it means it is connected well. And then we move the camera. We will see the screen will also moved. Okay, friend, we can see it connect successful. We also can use the mobile phone to make the photos for monitor screen. Okay, saved OK. Okay, saved OK. Okay, friend, we can see this wireless or Wi-Fi camera is very good. This camera also we also can insert a micro SD card to store everything, and the screen will very clearly. It also can used as a web camera for online video chat. Okay, friend, if you are interested in this camera, you can connect with us or give our email to order it. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.